Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download brand assets from Microsoft PowerPoint templates step by step clearly. Open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is launched, click on the File tab in the upper left corner. From the menu that appears, select New to start a new presentation. In the search bar, type brand assets or brand template to find relevant templates. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your needs. Click on the selected template to preview it. If you like the template, click on the Create button to open it in PowerPoint. Once the template is open, review the slides to see what brand assets are included. Look for logos, color schemes, and fonts that you can customize or extract. To download the brand assets, go to the slide containing the logo you want. Right-click on the logo image and select Save as Picture. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG, and select a location to save the file. Click Save to download the logo to your computer. To extract colors, click on the Design tab in the ribbon. Select Format Background and then click on Solid Fill. Use the color picker to identify the specific brand color. Take note of the RGB or HEX values for future use. For fonts, go to the Home tab and check the font used in the slides. Make sure to note down the font names for accurate branding. Once you have gathered all necessary brand assets, close the PowerPoint file. You can then build your presentations or marketing materials using these assets. Always remember to follow brand guidelines when using the assets you've downloaded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.